In this video, I will show you how to book a flight ticket. We will be using Ethiopian Airlines in this example. From your Google search engine, type www.Ethiopian Airlines. In the selection, click Book a trip. Select either one-way, without a return ticket, and round trip includes a return ticket. Multi-city is choosing a flight from city to city. I will use round trip for this example. My departure city is New York JFK. And destination city, Lagos, Nigeria. I will choose departure date February 14th, 2024 and date of return March 16th, 2024. It loads up and return flight options to choose from. In this example, I'll choose economy departure flights and economy return flight. I will enter passenger information in this section. The passenger's title, surname, first name, date of birth and travel documents number. Subscribe to my channel for more educative travel videos, getting visa from anywhere in the world and how to get a second country nationality. Did you know that some countries' citizenship allows you to travel to many countries without a visa? I will cross-check the travel document number and all the personal information of the passenger I inputted. Did you know that 50 pounds is the weight limit a passenger can carry on an international flight? If there is a country visa processing method you would like to see the video from your country of residence, leave a message in the comment. It's very important that I double-check this passenger's contact details, both the phone number and email address. Next is the seat selection section. Here, I get to select the seating choice of this passenger. In an event of connecting flight seat unavailability, you will be assigned a seat prior to boarding. If the flight is operated by our partner airlines, please visit the carrier's websites. I can personalize this trip in this section. I can pay for excess baggage if this passenger will be carrying more than 50 pounds recommended by this airline. I can pay for a Wi-Fi connection for this passenger. I can pay for this passenger refreshment stopover. Before moving to payment options, the summary of this trip can be checked by clicking the trip summary highlighted. Selected flight can be reviewed for any mistakes and passengers' information can be checked for any errors. The payments options available are 1. Book now and pay later. 2. Pay with credit/debit card. 3. Pay with PayPal and 4. Pay at the agent's office. I will choose the option of paying at the agent's office. Always read the airline payment rules and agreement before you purchase via your payment option. By clicking purchase using my selected payment option of paying at the agent's office, my payment confirmation will be on hold for 24 hours. This confirmation code EJAUPE will be in the email sent to the email I input in this booking reservation earlier. Do you want to learn how to book a hotel, how to get a visa, or how to get a second passport that allows you to travel to more countries? Please share this video, like and subscribe for more on how to travel.